Okay, this lesson might not apply to all students, but it's something you might encounter. So if you are in a class and you've been asked to prepare a video as part of an assignment, the issue with that is that submitting big video files to the Dropbox or to the discussion board oftentimes is very difficult. The Dropbox and the discussion board aren't designed to handle big files, and videos can get big. So we have a separate spot to put these called MediaSpace or Kaltura that your professor might ask you to upload it to. So here's how to do that. So to get to MediaSpace, there's two ways to go about it. Look, you can look under the More button in your course, and there's a link to it there. Or on the front page of D2L, we have a link to it here. So if you click on that, it's going to take you to this companion website called MediaSpace, and this is our video system. It's designed to handle big video files. So to put a video on here, what you do is in the upper right, you hit Guest, and then you click Login, and you type in your SRU username and password. Once you're in, you have a button that says Add New. Click on that, and then click Media Upload. So this video is assuming that you already have a video file. Maybe you made it on your phone, maybe you made it on a GoPro, maybe you recorded a PowerPoint and exported a video. I'm assuming you already have one of those. So what you do is you click Choose a File to Upload, and here, right here on my desktop, I have an MP4 file. It's actually not that big, but for this example, we're going to go with this. So this could come from my phone, like a GoPro, a narrated PowerPoint that I've exported, whatever. So choose your video file, click Open, and what's going to happen is it's going to upload it. And the limit on this is about 4.5 to 5 gigabytes. So this ought to be big enough to take any file. If it's too big, you could try uploading it to your OneDrive on Office 365, but this should cover most bases. Again, this will take just about any type of file, a video file. This one was an MP4. It'll also, it'll take MOV, WMV, things like that. So once it's uploaded, down here, you're going to leave this bubble right here that says unlisted. Media page will be visible to anyone with a link to the page. Leave that alone. When I save this and click Go to Media, what's going to happen is that it's going to prepare a web page for me that I can send out to whoever needs to see this video. So this isn't like YouTube where just having it in here makes it visible. This video is going to be, again, unlisted. It's only visible to me until I share the link with people. So this isn't like YouTube where you can look at other people's stuff. So if I refresh this, this should just take a second. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. Bigger files can take up to an hour, I've seen, depending on how many people are using this. But what you do here is you go under the Share button and you copy this, and then you can go back into D2L, and then let's say I've been asked to share this into the discussion board. I can go to the discussions. I can, maybe the professor set up a discussion forum. I can click Start a Thread. Here is my video project. Have fun watching this. And then I can paste in that link. Again, this is going to be visible to only the people I share the link with, and there it is. And if you play it, it plays right in the web browser. So there's me. There's the link. You just copy that and paste it to where you want it to go. Sometimes it's a discussion board, sometimes it's a Dropbox folder. And you hit post. In this case, my classmates can watch this now. And rather than having a gigantic video file, MediaSpace compresses it down, gives me a link to share, and it ends up being much more efficient. So that is the quick and simple of how to use MediaSpace.